This is Jack, Edwin, and Kennedy. We're having a barbecue, and we've been here for how many hours? 7 hours, and it's like 8:47 right now. Yes.
I already opened it right here. There's a hole right
She's a crybaby over there.
That's just messed commentating.
She cried like more than 10 times today.
Karen.
Yes.
Karen. And what are you gonna do outside? Oh shoot! The sausages are leaking.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There seems to be some problem. Oh.
What?
Because of course you're supposed to open the door.
You're an idiot, man.
Oh man. Oh, water coming out.
Having a barbecue, you motherfucker.
Here, Candy. No. Say hi to Cam.
This is the meat that's been cooked, and it's nearly dark. Yes. Yeah, she don't want to go inside. It's beautiful. Oh no, the battery's gonna die. The battery's gonna die. No, I think we gotta cut it now. It's dying.
Cut it. I'll get some sausage.
But anyway,
Sausage.
yes, we're having a barbecue. And today, bye bye now.